Everything you need to install your Cami video doorbell camera is in the box. You may also need some simple tools depending on your situation, such as drill bit for wall anchor in case you want to mount the doorbell on a brick or stone wall, or an additional screwdriver. Let's get familiar with your Cami video doorbell camera. The Cami video doorbell camera is designed with high precision and a premium look. The light sensor, PIR sensor, camera lens, and microphone are located on the front side of the camera. The doorbell button is a tactile push button. The speakers are located on each side of the doorbell, and the tamper switch is hidden on the back. The optimal capture range for the Cami doorbell camera is 0 to 13 feet, or 0 to 4 meters. Additionally, we recommend to install the doorbell at a height of 4 feet or 1.2 meters to ensure the ground of your front door area can be captured. Your Cami doorbell camera comes with 3 different backplates that can be used to help place your camera at your desired angle. There are a few simple ways to mount your Cami video doorbell camera. If your home does not have an existing doorbell wiring system, you may want to use our rechargeable battery-powered option. Make sure you fully charge the battery using the micro USB cable included before using the doorbell. If you are using a mechanical chime, follow the mechanical doorbell setup. Let's get started. First thing, hold your desired backplate on a surface you plan to install it and mark the 2 screw holes at the top and the middle. If you want to place your doorbell on a masonry or stucco surface, such as brick or concrete, you will need to drill holes and use the provided anchors in the box. You can remove the protective cover by holding the device on either end and gently pushing with your thumbs to detach the body and the protective cover. Once the backplate is secured, you can mount the doorbell to the backplate using 4 star-shaped screws provided. Be sure to use the fine thread screws for the flat backplate and coarse screws for the angled backplates. To insert the battery, simply push the battery. To remove the battery, push the tab as shown and then take out the battery. Again, please make sure the battery is fully recharged before using the camera. Replace the protective cover and secure the protective cover with the 6 star-shaped screw provided in the box. Before removing the existing doorbell, make sure to switch off your doorbell at the breaker before continuing to replace it with the Cami doorbell video camera. Or make sure there's no power connected before installing the Cami doorbell video camera. Place a mark on the location you want to install it, and depending on the surface of your wall, you may need to drill and use the provided anchors in the box. Take the wires of your previous doorbell and connect each one of them to the screw. Any wire can be connected to any screw. It will work perfectly. If you have trouble connecting the wires coming out of the wall to the back of your doorbell, please use the included wire extensions with your doorbell wires using the included wired nuts. Connect the wire extensions to the screws on the back of the doorbell. Make sure to tighten them. Use the 4 cross screws included in the box to secure your doorbell to the wall, and secure the protective cover with the 6 star-shaped screw provided in the box. Turn the power back on. If everything is set up correctly, your Cami doorbell video camera will start working immediately. If you are using a mechanical indoor doorbell, do not install a diode, as this will damage your existing doorbell. If you are using a mechanical chime, please install the Cami chime connector provided in the box. The Cami chime connector ensures a stable power supply to your Cami doorbell video camera. The Cami chime connector is designed for an 8 to 24 volt AC doorbell system, mainly used in the US. If you are using a Cami doorbell outside the US, your install method may be different. Check the included user manuals for details. On your internal doorbell chime, locate the 2 wires. If there are more than 2, look for the label front and transformer or trans. Loosen the screws on both wires but do not detach entirely. Gently slide the 2 wires on the Cami chime connector and retighten back the screws. Mount the chime connector inside the mechanical chime to hide and place back the cover. Make sure the place does not interfere with the bell mechanism. Any wire can be connected with any screw. If you don't want the chime to make a sound, please disconnect the wires as shown in this video. Your Cami doorbell video camera is now ready to protect your home. The smart home security at your front door.